Hello learners, welcome to another session of GE 210. So today we will be discussing on Agmark. So what is this Agmark? Agmark, it is a kind of certification, or it's a kind of label, or it's a kind of mark on the agriculture produce or the agriculture products of India, which are the products which are based of India, and which is giving an assurance to the consumers that they follow certain standards and policies, and these standards and policies which have been fixed by the DMI. The DMI is Directorate of Marketing and Inspection. So the DMI puts over certain what you call mark on these agriculture products which are of Indian nature, and the DMI and the government of India take care of this marking of the agriculture produce. Okay, it is a kind of certification given to the agriculture produce of Indian nature. Okay, so Agmark is legally enforced in India by the agriculture produce. It's a kind of grading and marking. Okay, and this was been established from the year like it came up by the Act of Agriculture Produce Grading and Marketing, which is of the year 1937, and further amendment happened in the year 1986. Okay, so presently the Agmark standard covers more than 205 different commodities. Okay, and these commodities are like can be food grains, cereals, pulses, essential oil, that is edible oils, vegetable oils, fruits, vegetables, semi processed products, anything, semi processed or fully processed products, the pulses, cereals, essential oils, edible oils, vegetable oils, fruits, vegetable, everything. Okay, so this is giving a kind of grading or a kind of standardization mark to the agriculture produce. The term Agmark was coined by joining the word AG for the agriculture and mark for certification mark or the standard. This term was introduced originally in the bill presented in the Parliament of India for the Agriculture Produce Grading and Marketing Act, which of the year the act was first proposed in the year 1937 and later amended to the year 1986. Okay, so this Agmark, who is a certifying agency? That is the Directorate of Marketing and Inspection, DMI, and Government of India. And the product category, all kind of agriculture products, semi processed or fully processed or raw materials, everything falls under this category. The effective region is entire Indian region, India, and it is effective from since 1986. Okay, and it is under the Act of Agriculture Produce Grading and Marketing Act of 1937, which is further amended in the year 1986. Okay, so we'll see where are the Agmark laboratories situated, where is the headquarters of Agmark laboratory. So Agmark certification is employed through fully state-owned Agmark laboratories located across the nation, which act as a testing and certifying center. Okay, in addition to this, a central Agmark laboratory, like what is the thing, the Agmark certification is provided by each state, because at each state there will be testing and certifying agencies. Okay, and in addition to the each state Agmark certification laboratories, there is a central Agmark laboratory that is in Nagpur, and there are regional Agmark laboratories situated that are in the 11 nodal cities like Mumbai, New Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata, Kanpur, Kochi, Guntur, Amritsar, Jaipur, Rajkot, and Bhopal. Okay, each of these 11 regional or nodal laboratories are equipped with the special equipped with specializes in the testing of the products of regional significances. For example, in Maharashtra we have the Nagpur oranges, the mangoes. There are different varieties, Alfonso mango, like there are different products specific to each state. And for Kerala, if we speak about Kerala, there will be the coconut, there will be the spices. So, and speaking about Kashmir, the saffron. For each state there will be different products or different agriculture commodities. So according to the commodity base, the testing laboratories and the testing specifications will be different from region to region, or from the state level Agmark certification agencies. Okay, so the ACMARC registration is available for which of the products? Okay, I'll just tell you what are the major products, like all kind of agricultural and allied products can go and get the ACMARC registration mark. Okay, so you can just read out what are the major products, like whether that's a livestock related products, the livestock related raw materials, or semi processed or processed goods, or cereals, pulses, edible oils, or anything can be, any of the product can get an ACMARC certification. And these are some more of the ACMARC certified items, like Alfonso mango for the exporting, and the plants, the canned bottled fruits products of citrus, like as I told, the Nagpur orange, the saffron of Kashmir, and different products are region based products. Food commodities are available, so based on the commodity and based on the region, the ACMARC laboratories will be having specifications, and they give the registration certificate, and the mark will be there on the product. There is a mark will be there in the product. Okay, so this is all about ACMARC, and ACMARC is just a kind of certification given to the agriculture produce, and this certification is issued by DMI and Government of India. That is the thing that you have to remember. And the logo of DMI, and it falls under which act, and which is the central ACMARC laboratory situated in Nagpur, and how many nodal and regional laboratories are there. So all these things have to be remembered. So by this we will wind up the session of ACMARC. Thank you.